Alam mo, kapag tumatanda na pala tayo, mas priority na natin yung paano maging masaya. Marirealize mo na mas masarap i-enjoy ang buhay pag masaya ka. Di mo kailangan makipagtalo sa mga taong walang bilib sa'yo as long as nag-enjoy ka naman sa ginagawa mo. Maiksi lang ang buhay natin, hindi natin kailangan makipag-argumento. Positive people will always choose happiness. Kaya kung saan ka masaya, tuloy mo lang. Enjoy lang natin ang ating buhay kung saan tayo nagiging masaya.
You know, happiness isn't about getting more. It's about appreciating what we already have. It's easy to keep chasing and thinking, if only I had this, I'd be happy. But true joy, it's found in the small things, the everyday moments we often overlook. Remember, it's not about filling our lives with stuff. It's about filling our hearts